Hi, I'm Katie, and this week for class we're asked to make a PMT in Excel. A PMT calculates the payment for a loan based on a constant payment and a constant interest rate. For this assignment, we are given numbers to work with. So as you can see, I have my assignment pulled up here. I've already completed the whole assignment, but I'm going to go ahead and show you the steps I took to complete the assignment. So they gave us the amount of loan, which was $150,000. They gave us interest rate was 5.8%, and they gave us the total number of payments, which was 120 payments, or you can do a payment a month for 10 years. So 10 times 12, 120. From there, we had to calculate the monthly payments. So in order to calculate the monthly payments, you're going to have to use the PMT equation. So if I click up here, you can see that I use the PMT equation. And in the PMT equation, you're going to use the rate. So you're going to first use the rate, which is D2 right here. That's 5.8%. Then you're going to divide that by 12 because it's an annual rate. There's 12 months in a year. Then next, you're going to enter the NPR, which is the total number of payments for the loan, which is 120. And then from there, the next number is the present value, or the total amount of the loan, which in this case was $150,000. Once you enter that into the equation, you're going to get a total of $1,650.28. So now that I've shown you how to get the monthly payment, I'm going to go ahead and show you how I got the chart and how I got the chart to zero out on the 120 payment. So I'm going to first start with the first payment, and the payments stay the same the whole entire time. So as you can see, it goes 0 through 120 payment. It's always $1,650.28. So to get that's the same. So then I'm going to go to the interest rate, and to get the interest rate, you need to use a formula. And to get the interest rate, you're going to take the balance. So I'm going to take the balance up here, and I'm going to multiply it by the interest rate. So I'm going to multiply it by 5.8%, and then divide by 12 because it's 12 months in a year, and that gives us the interest. So as you can see up here, here's the formula that gave me this. So the next thing I'm going to do, once I have that, I'm going to go ahead and click the principal box, and I use the payment for each month, which is always $1,650.28, and I subtract that from the interest for each payment, and you'll get the principal. So as you can see, here's the equation right there. So payment minus interest gives you the principal. So now that we have the principal, the last thing we need to do is get the balance. So now to get the total balance, that is, you have left to pay, you're going to subtract the principal from the balance the month before, or in this case, the initial balance. So for the first one, I'm going to take the principal and I'm going to subtract it from the initial balance, which you can see right there, the equation right up here. That gives me the balance. So now that once you fill out the first column, there'll be a little, like you see this little square right here. You can drag the square and you can drag it all the way down to 128 payments, or line 120 payments, and that will give you the number for everything. The equations will stay the same the whole 9 yards. So that's my screencast for this week. Thanks for watching, and the questions that we need to answer are over here.